Welcome back in our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to create chat rooms in WordPress. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in WordPress, you might want to click on the create an account button in the upper right corner. And you will be redirected to a new page wherein now, once you are here, creating chat rooms in WordPress can be done using plugins specifically designed for this purpose. And it's a very straightforward process. Once you are in the interface of your dashboard, you need to hover down into the left side panel, which similarly would look something like this one. Now, from here, you need to go to the left side panel and look for plugins. Okay, and now, basically here, all you're gonna do in the search option here, just search for chat rooms or chat room. As you can see, you have a lot of results that was given. Now from here, all you're gonna do is choose a WordPress plugin that offers a chat room functionality. Like, here are some popular options: chat room by web dev studios, personal chat room, and a lot more. Now if we choose this one, because from here it will allow you to create chat rooms directly in your WordPress site, you can simply install and activate it from the WordPress plugin. And because as you can see, this plugin offers live chat functionality, allowing you to create chat rooms for your users, right? And they also have related plugins that you can add. And it's free on the creator plan, but of course, if you need to activate this type of plugin, all you're gonna do is upgrade and activate. Click on this one, and afterwards you will see this chat room integrated to your website here on WordPress. It's that easy. It's very straightforward. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. But in such cases, you are having problems clicking integrating or downloading a plugin here on the WordPress. Say for example, you choose another plugin. Now it's gonna be chat rooms, video calls, games, and apps for websites, and you were trying to click on upgrade and activate, but nothing's happening. You might want to go here in the help section in the upper right corner, and then all you're gonna do is choose all the applicable situations in your case. Say for example, you're having problems downloading or creating a chat room on your WordPress site. Just click on it. You can also go to this specific section of your WordPress, which is entirely made for plugins. You can extend your WordPress experience. You can browse 59,000 free plugins. And again, what you need to do right here is search for chat rooms. Matter of fact, these are the same apps that will be given on the results on the main dashboard, but separately you can also go here if you're not comfortable with your main dashboard. And all I'm gonna do is click on it and install and activate, or you can simply download that for you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.